Here's an explanation regarding neutral conductors and their role in current carrying capacity, focusing on installations common in a three-phase 4-wire Y system operating at 120/208 volts. Let's address the question of whether the neutral conductor counts as a current carrying conductor in different wiring scenarios. First, consider a 12/2 cable feeding convenience receptacles. A 12/2 cable contains two current carrying conductors and one neutral conductor, all of which are 12 American wire gauge. In this scenario, the neutral conductor is indeed counted as a current carrying conductor when determining the cable's ampacity. Although it ideally only carries the unbalanced load, it is still considered a current carrying conductor for derating purposes. So, when performing ampacity calculations, recognize that a 12/2 cable has two current carrying conductors. Now let's address the second question involving three-phase conductors, designated A, B, and C, with one neutral shared among them to feed convenience outlets. In this case, the neutral conductor generally is not counted as a current carrying conductor for ampacity adjustment purposes. This is primarily because, in a balanced three-phase system, the neutral conductor ideally carries minimal current. The current in the neutral is only due to the unbalanced load between the three phases. To understand the relevant code requirements, it is important to reference Article 315.12 of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, which addresses the ampacity of conductors. Section 315.12 paragraph B pertains to single conductors. This section specifies that for single conductors carrying only one phase or neutral, the allowable ampacity of a conductor should not exceed the values listed in tables 310.15 paragraph B16 and 310.15 paragraph B17. In contrast, section 315.12 paragraph C focuses on multiple conductors. It states that for conductors installed in a raceway, cable, or similar enclosure, like a 12/2 cable, the allowable ampacity of each conductor must not exceed the values listed in tables 310.15 paragraph C1 and 310.15 paragraph C2. Therefore, in the scenario involving a 12/2 cable serving convenience receptacles, the neutral is counted as a current carrying conductor as per Article 315.12 paragraph C. However, in the situation with three-phase conductors and a shared neutral, the neutral is generally not counted as a current carrying conductor because it is not carrying current from only one phase or neutral as described in Article 315.12 paragraph B, and in a balanced three-phase system should ideally carry minimal current.